Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing these Crochet Passion Locs by LuluTress. And stay tuned to see how I got this Bohemian Goddess crochet hairstyle. This is the illusion individual braid pattern that I'm starting off with, and I do have a detailed video on how I do that, and I will list it down below. But it's pretty simple. I just created these little blocks, plaited it down, and connected to the next one, creating 3 rows in which I braided down to the back. I used 3 packs of the LuluTress Passion Locs, and these are 20 inches long and a color number 1B. And because I'm going for more of a Bohemian Goddess style, I decided to add in some of this LuluTress Water Wave as well. And the key to mixing in loose hair with the locks, make sure that the curl pattern are very similar, and they both have a nice ring curl at the end. I went ahead and did the back off camera, and I have several other videos on how I do achieve goddess look using loose curl hair with the locks, and I will link those down below. These locks come with a nice size loop, and they are very lightweight as well. I'm taking my crochet hook, making sure that I'm placing it right in the middle of that box and pulling the crochet hair through. Make sure you're taking your time, especially around your hairline, because it's very easy to snag your hair when doing this style, so take your time. Now that I have that row complete, I'm going to add in this loose water wave hair. And when adding this hair in, because it's 14 inches long and these locks are 20 inches long, I'm actually just going to measure out the length of the locks. It's okay if you have a little piece overlapping, a little shorter piece. I like the look of that. It just gives that more fuller look. And I like to add the water wave hair in between my boxes, and I don't do it on every one, but I do it on areas that I feel like that has more space. So when I'm placing the hair through, I'm taking my time as well, not to disturb the curl. And guys, this style took me less than an hour to complete. And guys, I've been wearing these locks for a week now and they still look great. Make sure you go follow me on my Instagram at Live Laugh Love J Marie. That way you can check out my progress. I'm just going to tame and trim away some of the frizz by using some mousse, and also going to refresh the curls with this ORS strengthening gel. And guys, look at those parts. I am loving it. It looks so neat and clean. As this is the completed look, I just love these passion locks. They are gorgeous. If you are feeling these locks as much as I am, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and also make sure you are subscribed if you're not subscribed, and also turn on that post notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I do upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
On supply, but I ain't been in school in years.